trying to answer, or I've been trying to answer for a while now, is how we can actually build structures and hierarchies, like a book, for example. How do you preserve the context of the chunks in that book with each other? And how do you keep an order for the entire thing? So, yeah, we are the world's biggest web publisher. The content's updated by many people, changes all the time. So how do we keep that content centralized and managed? So how do you find the stuff in that vast, massive content? And how do you get the content out of there and build, our books and applications, whatever out of it? That's our basics. So I'll talk about MediaWiki first, and there's a bunch of features that are built into MediaWiki already for doing some sort of structure within the wiki itself. So the first one is basically links, which is about what hypertext is all about in MediaWiki as well. So MediaWiki is really built around links and being able to connect the articles to each other, and it's very easy to create and modify your links, but the problems are it's a one-way thing, so you can have a link from page A into page B, but there is no obvious way of getting a link back. Well, I know there's a special page for doing that, but that's not something you don't usually see unless you go look for it, so it really is a one-way by default. Page names have to be unique. You can only have one article called Poland, one article called Gdansk, and so on. And also, when you have links, it's not easy to extract them from the content, or it's not trivial to do so, because they are embedded within the content itself. It's not necessarily a separate thing, it's just part of the content. The other thing is, so yeah, just stop me at any point if you have any questions or disagree or whatever. The other thing is subpages, so you can actually have article names or have these slashes to split them. So you have Poland/Gdansk/eating, which is about, you have the concept called Poland, and there's a bit in there called Gdansk, and the smaller bit in there called eating, so it's just structured together that way. So if you have a fixed tree hierarchy, then it's a very good way of doing that because you can have these branches split off in the article. And it's easy to go back up, so like if you're looking at this page, it's instantly obvious that you can go back up to Gdansk from here, but it's not obvious what's the next level here. You can't really see that because it goes one way only. The other major problem is that you can't really see the context. So again, if you look at this page, see you're on the eating page now. What's around it? You don't see, is there a drinking page? Is there a sleeping page or whatever? You don't know. You just need to find out some other way. So you don't know what the children are. You don't know what comes beyond this, what's around it. So you lose the context completely. Just have that single page there. And then also, just technical limitation is that when you move pages around, so if I move Gdansk to Danzig, as we like to do on Wikipedia every year or so, then it doesn't move child pages by default. So you can break the hierarchy ways. It's pretty brittle. So transclusion, this is what you guys are using at Wikisource pretty extensively. So it actually means that you actually basically copy the entire content of an article into a GitHub article. So if you have this page up here, actually you can have Poland, including Gdansk, including eating groceries, and it all just flows together. It looks like it's one page, even though really it's not. It's composed for many chunks. This makes it very easy to also like shuffle around the content in the order because you can just shift the links around in the page and then suddenly they appear in a different order. The problem really is that you can't navigate this because this is hidden to the user. They don't see this at all. They just see like a flow of content. It's not obvious where that content came from. And then also, you can't include a page unless you go as children, so it's not possible to like select chunks of that content. So if a page has other transcluded content, you can't building a hierarchy of transclusion fails pretty easily because you can't just choose what you want. If you get a parent